The first tactic in generating profitable offer ideas is by having a vision. Before starting with any ideas, you must first start with your vision. What's the vision of your company? Your vision is what will be the guiding light for all of your ideas to take shape, because you can come out with as many ideas as you want, but the question is, could you really execute all of them? Well, time as well as resources to execute all of the ideas, are limited. There are only 24 hours in a day and only so much of financial resource to go around that you can leverage, which means you want those ideas to be congruent and aligned to your vision for the company. You'd go bankrupt and you'd waste a lot of time in executing all of the ideas you have. Therefore, it's crucial to have a vision that you can focus on that will give you a clearer understanding on what it is that you ultimately want to achieve. To help you in generating your vision, try to ask these fundamental questions. What is your why? Why is this business important to you? Why did you start the company in the first place? Why this and not something else? These are all important questions which will give direction to evaluate which idea is most suited to your company. Take a moment, pause the video, and answer these questions. Don't worry about having the best vision because in our previous module, we learned there is no such thing as best. The most vital component is to identify what resonates with you. Thousands of people have taken up their hobbies and turned them into successful businesses. So think of your why now. For instance, Tim and Nina Zagat, who launched the Zagat Surveys, a publishing empire that sells restaurant guides for many major USA and European cities. In the early 1970s, the Zagats were high-priced corporate attorneys who had the passion of dining out. For fun, they created a newsletter which they distributed to close friends to rank popular restaurants in several categories. Each year, the newsletter encompassed more restaurants, and in the end, the couple began charging money for it to reduce their expenses as it became so time-consuming and actually cost them money to produce. Identifying your interest and what resonates with you is important because when you or the company is faced with a tough situation, your passion and commitment to that vision will push or pull you through. So pause this video, take 20 minutes, and answer those questions.